Hi there. This was our set of examples for our notes on standard form, going from standard form to slope-intercept form. And in class, we went over 1, 2, and 3. I feel like a couple of us could really use seeing a few more examples. So let's look at number 4. So here's number 4. Y minus 2 equals negative 3x. Well, first we need to get it in slope-intercept form. So that means we need to get y all by itself. To do that, we need to get rid of this negative 2. That means we need to add 2 to both sides. On the left, negative 2 plus 2, that's 0, so all we have is y equals. We cannot combine negative 3x and 2, because negative 3 has an x, 2 does not. They are not like terms. So we just have negative 3x plus 2. And that's our slope-intercept form. Now to graph it, we need to start with our y-intercept. So our y-intercept is 2. That means that somewhere on the line, there's got to be a point at 0, 2. Because our y-intercept is always 0, a number. So that means we look and find 0, 2. So 0 means don't go left, don't go right, stay right in the middle. Go up 2 and put a dot. There's our dot. Okay, our slope is negative 3. To find another dot, think of negative 3 as negative 3 over 1. That means to find another dot, we start at 1 dot on the line, go down 3, 1, 2, 3, go over 1, put a new dot. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3 down, over 1, put a dot. Then hopefully you have a ruler. I found mine. Use your ruler to make a nice straight line. There you go. All right, let's try out number 5. Again, our goal is to get y all by itself. Our problem is we also have x over here. So to get y by itself, we want to subtract x from both sides. That gives us negative y equals negative x plus 2. And it looks like we're done, but we're not, because we can't have negative y. It has to be positive y. So remember, negative y is the same as negative 1y. So let's divide everything by negative 1. On the left, that gives us y equals negative x divided by negative 1. Well, negative divided by negative is a positive, so we just have x. And 2 divided by negative 1 is negative 2. So that means our y-intercept is negative 2. And our slope, remember there's an imaginary 1 there, so our slope is 1. So first we plot our y-intercept at 0, negative 2, put a dot. And our slope is 1, which is the same as 1 over 1. So go up 1, over 1. Up 1, over 1. And you keep on doing that if you want, but 3 points is enough to give us a good line. There we go. All right, here's another one, a little different. Y is already by itself, but it has negative 2 as the coefficient. We want the coefficient to be 1. So that means we need to divide everything by negative 2. On the left, those negative 2's cancel out. We just get y equals. Well, 3x divided by negative 2, I'm not going to change that much. I'm going to basically keep it as it is. I'm just going to write it a little differently. Negative 4 divided by negative 2. Well, a negative divided by negative is going to give us a positive. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. So that means our y-intercept is 2. And our slope is negative 3 over 2. So first, plot your y-intercept. That'll be right here. Y equals 2 at 0, 2. And then find another point. We need to go down 3 and to the right 2. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. We can do that again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That's about where. It's hard to see those lines, so it's okay if it's a little off. Then again, get your ruler. Hopefully this is, yes, pretty good, pretty straight. There's our line.